How to fade in and fade out a video in Capcut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fade in and fade out a video in Capcut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, import your video in Capcut. Once you are on the editing page, tap on the video on the timeline. Navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface and tap on animations. Now on the animations, you will have this fade in option. Tap on it. Now you can set the duration for the fade in your video. There is a slider right here. You can set the duration as you want. For now, I will just go with 2.5 seconds. Once you're done, tap on the tick mark. As you can see, now the fade in effect has been applied. Now to again apply the fade outs, again repeat the same process. Tap on the video in your timeline, head towards the animations. Now tap on out from this option, then select fade out. Again select the duration. With this slider right here in the color weight, you can set the duration. Here also I'll go with 2.5 or 3 seconds, and once you're done, tap on the tick mark. And as you can see, the fade out is also applied. So that's the way to fade in and fade out a video in Capcut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.